Ready to embrace your silver? These 10 stunning short gray hairstyles for women over 60 will completely transform your look. Discover low-maintenance, chic, and youthful cuts that celebrate you. 1. Undercut Pixie Bob. Ideal for thick hair, removing bulk while adding a modern edge. Perfect for confident women seeking a bold, low-maintenance look. Highlights the jawline beautifully. The shaved sides create a lifting effect for the face, making it a fantastic anti-aging choice. Asymmetrical layered pixie. Excellent for covering thinning hair at the temples. The asymmetry draws the eye diagonally, flattering round or square face shapes. Adds incredible volume on top without requiring styling tools. Ideal for active seniors who want a wash-and-go routine. B. Textured shag with wispy bangs. Softens angular facial features perfectly. The wispy bangs hide forehead wrinkles gracefully while framing the eyes. A brilliant choice for wavy or slightly curly natural hair. The choppy layers enhance the hair's natural movement and bounce. Classic blunt French bob. Timeless and highly elegant. Cutting the hair precisely at the chin line makes thin hair appear significantly thicker and healthier. Frames the cheekbones beautifully, giving an instant contour effect. Best suited for straight hair textures that require minimal daily heat styling. 5. Spiky cropped pixie. Radiates high energy and fun. This super short cut requires almost zero maintenance and keeps you cool during warmer seasons. Creates height at the crown, which visually elongates round or oval faces. Paired with bold glasses, it delivers a very artistic vibe. 6. Curly wedge cut. The absolute best shape for naturally curly gray hair. The wedge shape stacks the curls at the back, preventing a triangular, bottom-heavy look. Brings life and bounce back to aging curls. It requires just a touch of curl cream after washing, making styling effortlessly beautiful. 7. Swept back voluminous crop. Keeps hair completely off the face while exuding sophistication. Perfect for formal events or women who prefer an open, confident facial profile. Creates an illusion of a facelift. Brushing the hair upwards and backwards draws the viewer's eyes up, counteracting natural skin sagging. 8. Align stacked bob. Elongates the neck gorgeously. The shorter back pushes volume upwards, making it a fantastic choice for fine hair that usually falls flat. Offers a polished, professional finish. It falls perfectly into place with just a quick blow dry, ensuring you always look put together. 9. Soft feathered lob. A great transitional length for those scared to go too short. The feathering adds delicate movement and softens strong jawlines. Incredibly versatile. It can still be tied back for sports or gardening, while remaining chic and flowy when worn completely down. 10. Buzz cut with faded sides. The ultimate statement of confidence. It strips away styling stress entirely, putting all the focus squarely on your beautiful face and eyes. Extremely liberating for those dealing with severe hair thinning. It feels exceptionally fresh and brings a highly edgy modern aesthetic.